The world's gone digital, my friends. It's exploding with opportunities. Everyone's online, consuming content like never before. Businesses need help navigating this new landscape. That's where you come in. This is the age of the entrepreneur. You can be your own boss, call the shots, and build your dream career. No more boring 9-to-5s, no more soul-crushing commutes. This is about freedom. This is about passion. But how do you break into this booming digital world? How do you stand out from the crowd? It's all about digital marketing, baby, and it's easier than you think. Digital marketing is connecting with your audience online. Think social media, content creation, email campaigns, the whole 9 yards. It's about building a brand, engaging with customers, and driving sales. And the best part, you can do it from anywhere in the world.
Freelancing is the future of work. It's about taking control. You choose your clients, your projects, your hours. You build your own brand, your own way. Digital marketing is a freelancer's playground. Businesses need help with everything from social media to SEO. There's a huge demand for skilled freelancers who can deliver results. Think about what you're good at. What are you passionate about? Maybe you're a social media guru, a content creating machine, or a data crunching ninja. Whatever your skill set, there's a place for you in the world of freelance digital marketing. But here's the kicker. You gotta hustle. You gotta network. You gotta constantly learn and adapt. The digital landscape changes fast, and you gotta be ready to change with it.
AI is a game changer, plain and simple. It's not about robots taking over. It's about tools that make you more efficient, more creative, more successful. Imagine this: AI handling your repetitive tasks, like scheduling social media posts or sending out email campaigns. That frees up your time to focus on the big picture strategy, creativity, and client relationships. AI can even help you create killer content. Think blog posts, social media captions, even video scripts. Need to analyze data and track your results? AI can do that too. It's like having a team of experts at your fingertips. But here's the real magic. AI personalizes the customer experience. Imagine tailoring your marketing messages based on individual preferences. That's next-level engagement, and AI makes it possible.
Let's talk real-world examples.
A freelance social media manager used AI to schedule posts and analyze engagement. Result? They tripled their clients' followers in just 3 months.
Another freelancer used AI to create high-converting ad copy. Sales skyrocketed and the client was over the moon.
These are just a few examples of AI in action. The possibilities are endless, people. Whether you're a writer, a marketer, or a data analyst, AI can take your freelancing game to the next level. Don't be intimidated by the tech. There are tons of user-friendly AI tools out there designed specifically for freelancers. Many even offer free trials so you can test the waters before diving in.
The future is here, and it's powered by AI. This is your chance to ride the wave of innovation and create the freelance career of your dreams. Take the leap. Invest in yourself. Learn about AI and how it can transform your work. There are countless resources available online. Articles, videos, courses, you name it. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different AI tools and see what works for you. The more you learn, the more you earn. It's that simple. The world of freelancing is waiting. Are you ready to unlock your potential?
Grammarly, this AI-powered writing assistant helps you write clear, concise, and error-free content. It's a must-have for any freelancer who writes for a living. Canva, this design platform, uses AI to help you create stunning visuals for social media, websites, and more. You don't need any design experience to create professional-looking graphics. HubSpot. This marketing automation platform offers a suite of AI-powered tools to help you with everything from email marketing to social media management.